What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Range Rover. Dude, I love the color of this car, man. Dude, this is a Range Rover Evoque in Corinthian bronze, man. You gotta be here to see this color in person because it does look absolutely gorgeous, especially when you have all this black finishing on the car with all this contrast stuff happening. It really brings the design of the car, at the same time the color of the car, to stand out even more. And the lines of these cars, man, dude, you know, it just has this very nice appearance. Now we're going to start off with the front part of the car, which is of course the lights. Just check out how the DRLs are already turned on. Beautiful lines. We have the cut right there, and then it continues back down here. I like how it's thin right here and it's thick right here, so very nice. You do have the inner part of the lights in this blacked out finish with your main headlights together with your high beam located inside there as well. Beautiful. Now the bottom part right here, if you're having the bronze kind of finish for the color, you don't get the bronze right here, I believe. So it's in this blacked out finish. Very cool. I love it, man. I like it a lot. You got bronze right here, and then you got this blacked out finish right here with all these lines happening. So stunning. The bottom right here, you have this gloss black finish together with some, I believe this should be your front fog lamps or things like that. We'll figure that out in the future. You get this black gloss black finish right here. I like how it's like lining up here. Can you see the partition? Very, very nice, man, dude. And then I get this bronze, Corinthian bronze that goes underneath here, cuts back all the way across there. And you do get the blacked out finish at the bottom right here for your front sort of like lip. Very cool. Love the mashed out grille we have right here. Very nice. You get your 360 camera for the front right here. Very cool. Number plate, you have it located right there as well. You got some airflow happening on this side. You got some airflow happening right here. Love the airflow that goes down there as well. But it does look very beautiful indeed. Of course, on top right here, you got your beautiful front grille in this gloss black finishing across the whole grille. Land Rover wording right there, air to flow through over here and there. Range Rover wording in this blacked out finish with the color of the car. Absolutely beautiful, man. I love this color. Now for the side on top right here, normally you do have this sort of like bronze finish right here, but in this case it's in this blacked out finish. Very, very cool indeed. I like it a lot. I love the lines on the top part of the hood. Cut down, then you cut down like that. Very nice indeed. Love the linings that go, and then it cuts all the way down here at the side, so it's beautiful blacked out finish on this side as well. So very nice indeed. I like it, man. Love the lines from the front all the way. It just shoots up to the rear door until the back part of the boot to join the rear lights. Gorgeous. Now check out the wheels, man. You do have this two-tone finish of a wheel. I like it a lot. You get the grayed out finish on this side, silver lining on the outside, solid disc brakes on the inside. You have this nuts right there in this chromed out finish, Land Rover wording right there. You also have your tire size right here, 245 45 R21. So beautiful touch. Pirelli tires, black, dark finish. Love the linings once again. Can you see the black lining right there? And then it just continues on the door side. See the blacks and then the Corinthian bronze in the middle. Then you got the black partition at the bottom here as well. So all this stuff is really, really cool, man. I like it a lot. So gloss black side mirrors, gorgeous finish. You get your 360 camera on this side. You got your turn indicators on that side. You also have the beautiful center part of the whole car in this gloss black finish. The top roof is in this Corinthian bronze. This right here is in Corinthian bronze. Then you got the black lining together with the Corinthian bronze and the black lining again. So very nice indeed. Amazing side mirrors. So down, let's open up the front passenger door, and you will notice first thing, the amazing door setup. Love the grained leather interior. They call it the Windsor leather is what's on the inside. We'll take a look at that in a while more. But nevertheless, love the gloss black finishing that's happening across the whole car. Door, handle right there, window adjustments right here, lock button right there. You have your handle to hold to pull, close the door. Love the spacing where your hand comes out, fingers come out through there. Compartment storage down here, speaker right there. Love the finishing texture for the whole door. Speaker right here, once again, speaker right here, once again, Meridian speakers. Very, very cool indeed. Very premium finish of a door. Love that. Love the Range Rover plaque right here that's written. You have your seat adjustments on this side, And of course, you have the Windsor leather interior, the Ebony interior, perforated seats, very cool. Damn, love how this looks, man. Love the stitching, perforated seats, love all the design finishes on the seats. Can you see that from the camera? All these sort of like design finishes. Love the stitching, goes straight down right here as well. So very nice indeed. So let's hop right in to the front passenger seat. And first thing you notice is that you get this amazing dashboard, leather finish, top right here, grain leather on the top right here, in fact right here as well, together with your amazing curve that goes up to the main driver's side with the head-up display located right there. Now once again, in every Range Rover cars, I love the screen, man. Very clean setup, very straightforward and very nice. Love the gunmetal finish that goes across the whole front of the dashboard. And also on the left side right here for the air vents, every air vent looks very, very cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger side. Seat belts are in black. Seat feels superbly comfortable. I like it a lot. Glove compartment down here, very nice. Hard plastic right there, very cool. This one right here, of course, wireless charging down there, Type-C charging right here. You have your compartment storage to keep some other stuff right there. You got this amazing setup of a gear, very cool. Drive, reverse and whatnot from this side, very cool. You have your cup holders on this side, very nice setup. And inside right here, you have your other stuff happening, which is compartment storage for you to keep some other stuff. Type-C, USB-C and whatnot happening right down there. Very cool. Very cool. Nice. So let's, before that, check this out. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. So let's get right down and now focus on the rear doors. Let's pull this open and take a look at the door design. Of course, similar towards the other doors, you got this grainy leather top, leather finish right here, very cool. Meridian speakers right there, handle right here. You got this gloss black finishing. Love the lines that goes like that. Window adjustments right here, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Love the spacing right here where your fingers can come out from. Compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there. Love the finishing of the door. The design is good. Love the plaque right here. No wording, but it's also nice as well. Windsor leather interior once again, black seat belts. Love the finish of the interior. Check it out. Beautiful. Now I'm going to hop right in to the rear passenger seat and compartment storage down here for the rear seats. Leather finishing all over the place. Seat feels very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Very, very nice indeed to sit in. Seat belts are in black. You do have your other stuff happening right here, I believe. Yeah. Two cup holders on this side. Cool. Let's close this back. And you have your EVOQUE wording down here. You get your Type-C charging, also your 12-volt socket on this side. Very cool. You have your air vent adjustments on this side. Very nice indeed. Love the gunmetal finish, kind of a design-like finish here. Very cool. I like it. You have this. Yeah, I love how they have all the linings across the whole front dashboard at the side, and then it even continues at this side right here. So very cool for the rear. Damn, love the design. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Headroom is good. Love the fabric lining at the top. You have a fixed glass roof at the top right here. So if you open up the shade, which we will be doing that only if the car is started, but nevertheless it is a very, very nice finish of a car. Let's open up the rear, right side of the passenger door and get right down. And let's check out the rear wheels for this beautiful car. First thing you notice is that you get this amazing Scorpion Pirelli tires. Love the two-tone finish of a wheel that we have right here. Silver lining, grey on the interior. Solid disc brakes happening right there. You got your wheel nuts, your Land Rover cap right there. 245/45 R21 is the tire size for a car like this. So very gorgeous finish for a rear wheel. Now, of course, your petrol cap is located on this side. That's where it goes. Let's close this down and take a look at the rear design of this car. First thing is you get this gloss black finishing for the whole centerpiece for your lights. I love how it just goes across the whole place. Love the brake lights right here. It goes like that and cuts back down. Very cool design. Range Rover wording right here. Lights again. You get your boot opening right here, 360 camera light there, number plate goes right there. Very cool setup. EVOQUE wording on this side. and you have this reflectors right here, and also this black lining that goes across the whole rear end of the car. Dude, I just love how this car is designed, man. The color of this car is helping, you know, the design come up even more. And this gloss black rear diffuser, very simple, at the same time very aggressive looking, man. The way this rear diffuser design is super aggressive. You do have your so-called design light to show you the exhaust, but actually the real exhaust is hiding underneath here and also there. So very cool finish of a car. But just check out the color with all the linings that are happening with this car, man. Makes it look even more nicer. Let's pop up the rear boot to show you guys the space. So first thing is you get your tow hook, and not tow hook, but a hook to keep some stuff down here. Yep, similar. And compartment storage. Oops, more like your temporary spare wheel right here. Very cool. So you do have some elastic band, keep some stuff without rolling around. Your 12-volt socket, net right here, cool. To fold the rear boot space down, very cool indeed. Got this amazing space-like finish for the rear boot, very cool. Down here, very nice indeed. Love the finishing that's happening for the whole car. Very cool setup. Like it a lot. Check it out. Beautiful space. Very nice indeed. So of course this head, we can take it off or push it back a little bit for it to fold it down completely. But yeah, nevertheless it does the job. Has a very spacious appearance for a car like this, man. Love how this car looks. Buttons to close the rear boot. But now let's hop into the driver's side and check out the doors. First thing is you have this amazing door setup with the lining once again. As I mentioned, love the finishing. Same gunmetal kind of finish for the goes across the whole car. Very cool. You also have your window adjustments here, child lock, side mirror adjustments, unlock, lock. Very nice. Handle to open up to close the door. Memory seats, you have got 3 for the front driver. Handle to hold, your fingers come out through here. Very cool. Compartment storage down here. Speakers, Meridian speakers right here. Meridian speaker right there. Love the door setup. Very cool. Range Rover plaque right here for the side. You have your seat adjustments on this side. You have your sport pedals in this chrome-like finish, including the brakes as well. Very nice indeed. Now let's hop right in. Show you guys the design like for the steering wheel. Now once again, I love the Range Rover cars which all have this sort of like design like metal finish. Then goes across down here, comes back up, goes back there, goes back there. So very cool design. They have this across all their cars, so that's what's nice. You get your pedal shifts, negative, positive. You got your wiper adjustments on this side, signal together with your light on this side. Very cool setup. Once again, I love the gunmetal kind of finish that goes across the whole dashboard. You get it on the side of the doors as well. So very nice setup. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Very sporty kind of a feeling sitting in here. Gear, of course, very simple setup. Very nice as I mentioned. Very clean interior, man, dude. Love it so much. Now let's get right down. Once again, hopefully the lights are already turned on to show you guys how amazing it looks. Let's do it again. Chop. One more time again. Let's see if that can actually happen. Nice, there we go. So the DRLs are already on, as I mentioned earlier, but just check out how gorgeous this car looks, man, from the front. Damn, Corinthian bronze is what they call it, so why not, right? Why not call the car Corinthian bronze? Now let's turn on the indicators. Close the rear boot. Let's start off with the back to show you guys how the signal light turns on for the back. See how it just waves from this inside part and goes right there. Very cool kind of movement. Love the brake lights that are happening all around it. Very sleek looking finish. Now check out the side mirrors. Of course, you do have the turn indicators on this side right here. Very cool setup. And also this whole light that you had DRLs on automatically goes off and it starts blinking in this sort of finish. So very, very cool setup. Once again, I love the color of this car. With the black finish, it really brings the design out. So cool. So that is it guys for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to find out more about Range Rover cars, do head down to SIMW where you can find tons of their different models with different colors located everywhere. And they have a really beautiful showroom. I love the sky right behind there. Damn cool. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.